Welcome to EJ Makes Us Six.
Hi, I'm Ricky.
I'm Lorena.
I'm Matthew.
I'm Katya.
I'm Kiara, and this is
Say EJ. Come on.
Jay.
EJ. So we are building. This is going to be part of our construction series. We're so excited. We're building with Aston Homes and we're going to take you along on our journey. So we're very excited. Come along with us and yeah, hope you enjoy this series, guys. We're so excited. We are building. So guys, we are so excited. We are about to go into Aston's home and have our colour selection meeting appointment. Excited! So both Ricky and I were so excited to enter into the colour selection room. This was just coming out of a very long lockdown in Melbourne, Australia. So we were excited to have a face-to-face appointment and just to go through the showroom was absolutely amazing. We're so thankful to Aston Homes for allowing us to take this footage and to be able to show everyone out there the amazing products they do provide when you're building. They have their standard range and obviously many products that can also be considered as upgrades. So we just had so much fun choosing all the items for our home, all the colours. Here are the hardware for the front doors. Then you have ColourBond roofing selection here. And just seeing all the samples is amazing. There's also the tiles that you can choose for your roofing. And then we are coming up to see the bricks that you can choose. So whether you go for category 1 or category 2 or category 3, so forth. And this is the render colours that you could choose from. So when you do go for your colour selection appointment, you're allocated a certain amount of time so you can go through all the products and decide on what colours you would like for your home. You're going to be choosing your internal colours and external colours. So Aston Homes makes it very easy to choose your appliances. They have so many on display for you to have a look at. Ricky and I both like the unit that has the oven and stove top together, but it's great when you have other choices available for you too. So many products, and I just love this whole process of viewing everything. I'm a very, very visual person, so having all this in front of me just made the process so easy. It is just so necessary. I really feel for those who had to choose majority of their items through lockdowns, because it really makes a difference when you're seeing the product face to face and being able to visually see what everything will look like once it's installed into your home. The bins was one upgrade, unfortunately, we decided not to go for, but I absolutely love the pull-out bins. These here now that you can see are the stone bench tops, and again they start from category 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 and so forth. And then here is some tiles, so whether it's for a splashback, and then just above there is some cabinet colours as well. So we have decided just to go for white on white in our kitchen, and then here are floor and wall tiles, and then just to the right you'll see the flooring, the hybrid flooring that is part of the Aston Homes everyday range. And yeah, and then there's carpet. So there's carpet in category 1, 2 and so forth. We decided to upgrade our underlay, but we decided to stick to category 1 in the carpet selection. Colour selection appointment has started. We're very excited. We're in the showroom and we're about to start selecting our external colours. So, yay. Choosing our external colours was really made easy with the program that Aston Homes uses. You know I love a visual. Could we try going with the black and just...
Currently it's on Surf like a garage.
Yes, yep.
And then that's the monument.
Okay, yeah.
And then that's the black. So probably monument.
That's really nice.
And then I'll show you. Yeah, that's just looking great. So that's the side of the house there.
These here are all the external colours. We chose Wallaby Render. We chose Wallaby Colorbond Roofing, Monument Windows, Wallaby for the front door, Ash Bricks, which is a category 1, and Surf Mist for the garage door. So it's so exciting to share the internal colours. All our cabinetry will be in high gloss antique ice. Our bench tops are called sparkling white. We have abstract grey matte tiles to all the wet areas. However, in the kitchen I'm doing a subway tile in a matte. The carpet is natural. The hybrid flooring is buckskin. And here's another look at the bench tops in sparkling white. So here is a beautiful mood board of our colour selection. So we've finished our consultation. Are you happy?
Yes.
So cool. Can't wait to share all our choices with you and the journey that we're taking with Aston Homes. Just been the best day. So cool. So here is beautiful Suzan.
Hello.
And we've been so lucky to have her today and she's just been amazing.
Thank you.
If you come into Aston's colour selection room, you'll see the beautiful Suzan.
Thank you.
Back in the car now and we've had a great morning at Aston Homes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys next time. Stay tuned for more of our build. So exciting.